see, but first I'm gonna spray it because it just needs a little bit of dwell time. But you don't have to spray it
Oh,
by
you don't
itself.
have to spray?
No,
Oh, yeah, because you put the solution
it's built
inside.
in, yeah.
Yeah.
It's 4 gallons, this thing. So once you put it in there, it'll clean like 10,000 square feet if you have to.
So that machine is a good start for a commercial job, right?
Yeah, it just chews up square footage. Like with a portable extractor, you know, one of the others, it's gonna take you probably
Like 5 hours.
3 times as much.
Yeah,
So
no.
this does it in a third of the time, the same thing. With only one person.
Just one, right?
All you gotta do is do a good job of vacuuming.
Yeah, that's the main
Yeah,
main
if
thing,
you
right?
can get the vacuuming
Yeah,
done
vacuum
correctly,
first,
then
right?
it's just basically transferring that dirt onto the towel. That's all it is.
So you gotta vacuum
The
first.
mechanical does all the work. And the machine is just so easy to use. This one, that's another reason people like it. Because you don't have to lift this part. Let me show you. When you put this on there like that, you don't need to go manually down there. And then this thing, you just go like this, you tilt it back, and when you want it to go down, you just go like this.
Okay, just go forward.
Yeah, and it goes. When you're done cleaning, you just bring up.
Wow.
It's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Other machines, you have to manually do this.
So how often do you need to change the pad?
As soon as it gets dirty, you can flip it over to the other side. If a lot of people say, well, how many pads am I going to need?
Yeah.
You can buy, you know, whatever your budget allows, and then just squeeze them in water. Like just put it in a bucket and just wring it out, put it right back on there.
I see.
Yeah. So let's get this guy plugged in.
So for carpet, you don't need the weight, right?
No.
Only when you do like
Marbles.
marble, right? Yeah.
All your natural stones, you need a little bit more, especially if you're taking off the.
What about
skin.
for hardwood floor? When you need to take it out the wax?
No weights, no weights.
No weights,
No.
right?
Okay, so there's an on button here, and then there's a sprayer button here.
Okay.
On, you turn that on. And it's not like the floor machine, it doesn't have that crazy torque.
Yeah, I
that
know.
goes
It
here.
used to go like this.
So it's basically just moving it around. And usually people will go back and forth like this. Like that. But if you can just see how dirty it is, I haven't vacuumed it,
Yes.
I'm just basically I'm not working hard, I'm just going over it. Let's try this one too. I don't know if I sprayed it, but we'll try how dirty it is.
Yeah. It's gonna be.
Then when I'm done, if I stop it, all I gotta do is go like this. I can see the dirt now.
Yeah.
All the dirt is transferred on here, so this is what it looked like before.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like now. This is the new one. Here, your turn. I could spray this one for you. Never sprayed that. Just go over this area.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.